guys, welcome to my channel. So today, as you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing a makeup look with the new holiday collection from Colourpop. Of course, it had to be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and that's why I have my ears, which I also purchased from Colourpop. They're so cute. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and jump right in. So I bought those ears because I felt like it was so cute for today's video. And welcome to the new background, the new holiday Christmassy background. So this year basically this year is the theme green and white. Last year was gold, white, and pink, like a rose gold. This year I really wanted the green. I feel like something is missing right here. I don't know what. I need to buy something green. If you have an idea, just please let me know in the comments down below because I really need help. Get started. So I bought the Colourpop palette and the two lip duos. So excited. Here is the palette of Colourpop with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We have around this red box with some snowflakes in white. Of course, we have R.E.M, but we're gonna skip that part and then just talk about the box. So we have these Christmassy lights in different colors. On the top it says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and at the side we have this red white line that we always see during these holidays. At the bottom it says pressed powder palette. We have this cute Christmas presents in red, and inside we have the color of each eyeshadow. We have this tree. We had Rudolph with his, I believe it's a teddy bear, or it can be his friend, and with a bunny. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but in another texture you can feel the white snowflakes with glitter. And on the back we have this wavy color, like light blue. I feel like that represents the wind. Open the box. So here is the inside of the palette. So cute. You guys know that Colourpop always gives us some extra in the boxes of the palette. So it's red with white snowflakes. We have a deer, we have a snowman, we have a little kid, and inside you guys can see the rest. It is so cute. And then we can talk about our deer. Here it says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We have Rudolph with some Christmas lights around him with his red nose. We have some trees. We have some snowflakes standing on the snow. We have the North Pole sign. Again, we have these white snowflakes, and the palette's kind of red because I already used it. I'll tell you guys right now why if you're new to this channel. On the top it says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and at the back we have the same thing, the names of the eyeshadow palette on each red Christmas present. It says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, a tree, Rudolph with his friends, and again these wavy blue lines like it looks like it's the wind. And here is the palette. It is so beautiful. I always love the palettes from Colourpop. So here we have a good sized mirror, and then on the edge of the mirror we have again this Christmas light, and here is Rudolph with his friend and with a wreath. And of course here are the eyeshadows. As you guys can see, we have some greens, some burgundies, but I feel like most of it's more like a nude brown palette. It is red if you're new to this channel because I already used it, because I have 3 channels. So I have a channel in Spanish, French, and this channel in English. I always do a different makeup look with the palette that I purchased. So I already did makeup look for my Spanish channel, so that's why it's kind of red. I already used it. But I always tell you guys when you're the first one, or I already used it on another channel if you're new to this channel, like I said. But if you follow me already for a certain time, you guys know how it works. So talking about the swatches, do you like me to do swatches? Let me know in the comments down below, because for me it is very important to you guys like to watch. So I basically don't like to do swatches for myself. I just like to play with the eyeshadows and see if it works or if it doesn't work, but I usually don't like to do swatches. Or maybe like if I'm very intrigued for a certain eyeshadow, I just do one swatch here, 1 or 2 or 3. Yeah, I don't do swatches, but for the R.E.M beauty video that I did, the swatches for the palette for you guys to see it, because I feel like everybody was intrigued, besides to show you guys the products, like how they look. You know, in the comments down below, because remember, this is for you guys. So I'm doing the swatches for you guys if you prefer me to do swatches, because you guys like to see it. So I want to know that. Here we have North Pole, Mush Mush, Independent Together, Eat Eat, Lots of Tinsel, Elf Practice, Misfit Toys, Handsome Nose, Snowbank, Little Bug, Christmassy Time, Can Get Hooks, Up Up and Away, Pull Over, Ready Santa. I have North Pole, Mush Mush, Independent Together, Eat Eat, and Lots of Tinsel. We have Elf Practice, Misfit Toys, Handsome Nose, Little Bug, Christmassy Time, at Zook, Up Up Away, Full Power, and Ready Santa. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So here are the swatches of the Red Nose Reindeer palette. I want to go burgundy today, so let's go with the color Independent Together. I'm gonna start, oh my god, this is so pigmented. So I'm gonna start applying the color on the crease. So this is going to be our transition color, which, as you guys can see, it's so pigmented. So right now I'm doing Vlogmas for my Spanish channel, and I'm struggling, guys. Oh my god, I'm really struggling. It's just I'm struggling because I'm not uploading at the time that I would like to. Like, I would like to upload Vlogmas at 1 p.m. but it's like 5. I start uploading at 5, and I really want to make a schedule. But yeah, I've been loving it. It's just at the first day I was like, you know, like it was kind of weird for me because I don't vlog not that often. Like, it was different. It was weird at the beginning. Sometimes I forgot the camera, but yeah, I've been loving it. So I'm doing the same thing on this side. After that, I'm gonna use the color Ready Santa. It's gonna be another color on the crease. So I'm just doing with a flat brush, so I have more control, and then I'm gonna start blending, and then I'm just gonna start blending like that. I feel like all these makeups can be perfect for this holiday, also for the one that I did for the Spanish one. I feel like they're good, and it's a good palette for that. I'm going to use a shimmer color. It's the one that I'm most excited about. It's called Handsome Nose, and see how it is. Oh, you guys see this? This is gorgeous. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It is so pretty. Why I thought it was gonna be more burgundy, but I feel like it goes more towards the red color. And then do the same thing on this side. Does it me, or I feel like it's more going toward the red? I feel like it's a little bit lighter than the actual palette. No, I feel like the transition colors or the other color doesn't go with the red. With a flat brush, I'm basically going over my lid. With the color Full Power, I'm gonna do a cat eye. go on this side. Apply some mascara. So after, I'm going to use again pull over, and I'm going to apply this underneath the eyes, so it makes more sense with the rest of the makeup. Now I'm gonna do the same thing underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to go with this shimmer, which is called Snowbank, which is so cute, a cute name. So with the same brush, I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of the eye, but I'm just gonna make like a triangle so the eye looks more open. With that same color, I'm going to apply it on my brow bone. I'm gonna use Snowbank underneath the eyes just to have an extra shimmer underneath. I'm done with the makeup. I just need the other lash. I don't know where is it. I'm gonna find it. Anyways, let's move on to the lips. Oh my god, that's what happens sometimes. So I bought the two lip duos. As you guys can see, one has Rudolph and the other one has its little friend. The two lip duos, let's start with Rudolph. So here we have Rudolph with the wreath around his neck with his boots, and on top it says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, as the same as his little friend. Of course, she is a girl, so cute with those big lashes and her red bow with her boots and also a wreath around her neck. It also says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. These snowflakes again. At the bottom it says Colourpop. It's called I Think You're Cute, and he's called There's Always Tomorrow, which is very true. So this has a matte lipstick and a lip pencil. At the sides of each box we have again white and red stripes. On the top we have again the shade of each one. I Think You're Cute, There's Always Tomorrow in green. On the back it says that it's a lip duo, again with the name of each lip duo, Rudolph, and her name is Clarice. Okay, and with the lip pencil and a luxe lipstick. So let's start with Rudolph because I feel like he is our main character. Again, is red with white snowflakes, the star, the moon, the snowman. Here we have the packaging. It is so cute, so beautiful, so different. So here we have the lipstick. It says Colourpop, and on the back it says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It has glitter. This shade is, oh okay, this shade is a burgundy shade. Like that, it feels so creamy. And we have the lip pencil that is, I thought it was going to be white, however I don't mind because it's different than too much white. It's like this light blue. It says Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer with these red snowflakes, and we have the color at the bottom, and here is the lip pencil. Let's move on with I Think You're Cute. The same thing as Rudolph, and same lipstick with the same lip pencil, but as you guys can see, this one is in a nude color. So Clarice is in a nude color. This is called I Think You're Cute, so it's more like a nude color. Here is the lip pencil. So cute and feels so creamy, so nice on the hand. There's Always Tomorrow and I Think You're Cute. So I'm going first to line up my lips. The lipstick. Love this burgundy, and I forgot that was one of the colors for this collection. I thought it was gonna be like a red, traditional red, just because it's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but I like it. I like that it's burgundy and not a red. Love the palette. It is so cute, so holiday. It's such a beautiful holiday palette, and I feel like we have those kind of pinkish nude colors with some pop of burgundies. This green, love it. I use this one for my Spanish channel, so if you want to check that, I'll leave the link down below. But such a cute palette. I feel like these colors are, we have, like, we can do a good holiday makeup look. Love the palette. Love the lip duos. They're so creamy. They have just a scent of vanilla. For me, it doesn't bother me. I don't like a lip duos that have a scent. Well, I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but for me, it's like just a soft touch of vanilla. It doesn't really feel that vanilla instantly. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify when I load a video. And here is my name, how you can find me on social media. Celin is her. So I have a Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and of course Instagram, which I use the most. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.